In news coming in, the government has cleared the controversial Gujarat Anti-Terror law. The Narendra Modi government has paved the way for the enactment of this very controversial anti-terrorism legislation that has been passed by Gujarat. And this was the same bill that was rejected thrice by the previous United Progressive Alliance, or the UPA. The Home Ministry has cleared now the Gujarat Control of Terrorism and Organised Crime Bill, also known as the GCTOC bill. And this has been hanging fire since Modi's first introduced it in the year 2001 when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Let's get in our correspondent Kamaljeet Sandhu for more on this. Kamaljeet, now this is a bill that has, received a lot of criticism and drawn the ire of civil activists. If you could just first of all tell us, what really makes this bill so controversial?
Well, yes, the Gujarat bill has drawn ire of civil activists and obviously from the centre also. This is because the bill remains controversial because of certain segments. One is it seeks to arm the state police with sweeping powers, which also means that police intercepts or phone calls as evidence in court can be used. There can be seizure of accused property, an extended 180-day deadline to file charge sheet. Another major contentious clause is obviously a police officer of SP rank or above. The confessions made before them can be made admissible in the court. Now remember, this particular clause itself was something which was the first such attempt by the state was way back in 2004. It was rejected by the President APJ Abdul Kalam then. After it was introduced and made the same fate in 2008 and 2009. At that point of time, it was President Pratibha Patil who was at the helm of affairs. She was obviously the president. This time, Rajnath Singh government also had certain reservations. And obviously, after seeking details from both the state government and the inter-ministerial group, they have okayed this bill. And remember, the bill is with President Mukherjee. So the final fate will only be sealed once he signs that particular signature. But we've been told by our sources that in most contentions, the president agrees as to what the Home Ministry has to say, and perhaps then the fate is going to be different from what it was done earlier.
All right, Kamalji, thanks so much for joining us and getting us the very latest on the bill that has now been passed by the central government. It still, however, requires the nod of the president.